a lighthouse here. Okay, this is a lighthouse. So it's the lighthouse. It said this is a lighthouse in the coast, correct?
Yes.
So you have a course like this. Your course is 0, 0, 0. Okay, perfect. So in that moment, the captain told you, please take a bearing of that lighthouse. So you are here in the bridge, and you take the direction straight to this one, to this lighthouse. Okay. When it's true, that means is this angle right here is true bearing. That means if this angle is 45 degrees, the bearing to this lighthouse is 045.
45.
Is true.
Okay.
True bearing.
True bearing.
Perfect. Very good. Okay. Now this is go direct. But what happened if you have the same lighthouse here? You have the same lighthouse here, and then you go in this direction, okay, and your course it's 152, okay, and then the captain told you, Pradeep, please take the bearing of this of the light that is in the port side beam. Port side beam means is here.
The middle of
this is 90 degrees from your bow.
Okay.
Is anything that is in this area, in this section, we call a beam.
A beam.
A beam us. Okay? So in that way, what happened? You know that is you take one of these repeaters,
okay,
and you take and you find this angle here. This angle is 90 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
90 degrees. But like this bearing is a relative bearing. It's relative. It's not true.
It's a relative relation.
So in order to convert it into true, you have to compare. Remember what I told you? That is relative? It's relative because you have to compare against something true. In this case, we have a true course here, so you have to compare with this course. Okay? When it's coming in the port side and it's going from the course to port side, is less, is minus. When it's coming, let's say somewhere here, and it's coming in the starboard side, is plus the course. Okay. In this case, we have to do true course 152 minus relative bearing. It's 90 degrees. It's only two digits.
Okay.
It's not 3 because it's not a course.
Okay.
Okay. So because it's in port side, it's minus. That means it's 62. 062 true bearing. So you converted this into true bearing.
True bearings.
So this one here is related. This is north. North is here, and it's here from here. It's 062 degree.
62 degree.
Okay? No 62. 062.
062. Yeah.
Okay? So if you got anything here, let's say this angle is 85 degrees. Okay? And you have here a small buoy. You take the bearing to this buoy. They said 85 degrees in the starboard. So perfect. You want to convert it in true. That means true course is 152. Relative bearing, it's 85. Because it's in starboard, it's plus. So that means it's 7, 3, 2. Okay, so true bearing is 237. Okay?
True bearing, because you relative.
The true course.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what happened? Why we need the true bearing?
Why?
Because we need to put this one, this bearing, we need to put it in the chart. Okay? So if we have a chart like this, okay, this is your chart. Your lighthouse was here, okay, and you don't know where you are,
Exactly.
correct? But if you have a direction, let's say that is this is the direction, true bearing 062, okay, and then you have a distance. Let's say the distance to this is it's 5 nautical miles. If you take the distance from this point
Lighthouse to
till the back,
yeah.
and you find out that this is here because you are always in the center. So that means it's 5 nautical miles. Then you find this. So this is a line, and also this is a distance.
Exactly.
So, and what is the principle of one of the geographical position? Is they say that is you need the latitude and longitude to get the position.
Okay.
But also you know that the crossing two position lines more than 60 degrees angle give you a position.
More than
Okay?
60 degrees.
More than 60 degrees. Let's say that this method is when you have a bearing and a distance.
Okay.
Then this is two lines. This is a curved line and this is a straight line.
Straight
This
line.
is a position line.
Yeah.
This is a distance line. Distance. This is a position line.
Position.
The bearing. This is the bearing. The cross of these two lines. The cross of two lines give you
Main
1 point.
1 point.
That point is your position.
Exactly.
Okay? Beautiful. ¿Qué más? It's
Yes.
clear? Very good. Okay. So now, what happened? The point is that you want to know where you are. Perfect. So you don't have a radar. You cannot find out the distance. Okay, no problem. So there is a coast here. Then you have 1 point is here. Is a point. Okay, and then here you have, let's say, a big tower. Okay, that is there. You know the position of this tower there in the chart,
Okay.
and you know the position of this. Let's say that this Point Noir. Okay,
Okay.
this is the name of this point, and this antenna
Hmm.
you will find it that is like this antenna. So you take, let's say, first bearing is this. Okay, so that means if you take one line through bearing, that means you can be in one of these, along this line, you could be in one of these points. Because a line is a succession of infinitive points.
Infinitives.
You should be in one of these points.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Now you take another bearing, is from this point down. So you also be in all these fucking points.
Infinitives.
In infinity points. Okay? But remember what I told you? That the crossing of two lines give you
A main position.
a 1 point.
Yeah.
So you are here.
Exactly.
This is your position. So you know the position of this antenna, you know the position of this Noir, So you take the true bearing of this one and the true bearing of this one, and you have a fixed position.
Fixed position.
And this is it. Finito. Okay? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now